Hello. Today we are taking a look at the Gigabyte's new motherboard for AMD Ryzen CPUs. This motherboard uses a familiar X870E chipset, but this is a completely new model which brings X3D Turbo Mode 2.0 technology. This technology uses an AI model to improve performance of Ryzen X3D CPUs, and according to Gigabyte, the improvement can be up to 35%. So this motherboard comes in completely new packaging for Gigabyte, which uses a hard box outside, and it has a sticker which we can peel and open the box like this. The motherboard is in front of us, packaged in an anti-static nylon bag. So let's take a look at the contents of the box. We have here a multi-language installation guide. We have a short paperwork regarding the motherboard. We also have some Aorus stickers. Some M2 bumpers, a RAM cooler, which is a little ventilator. We have a Gigabyte G connector, which is also in white. We have some white SATA cables, white antenna, white microphone. Also we have an Aorus sticker for the case, and that's basically everything from packaging. First we have to peel off the stickers from the motherboard. We have one here, another one here on the M2 cooler, again one bigger on the additional M2 slots. Also we have a large sticker on the bottom heatsink plate. So the motherboard is pretty heavy. It's got large aluminum heatsinks on the VRM on M2 slots, and also a large plate on the bottom like we've seen. The VRM solution is 22 phases in twin layout, and the 20 of those phases are with 110 amp smart power stages, and the two of them are 60 amps. There's also 4 M2 slots. The first one is of course PCI Express 5, and it's got a large heatsink on it. Interestingly, the heatsinks are connected with magnetic latches, both of them, you can see here, and the magnets are here. So the motherboard is also very rich with the I/O possibilities. It's got a large number of USB ports, which includes 4 Type-C ports on the bottom. It also has Wi-Fi 7 with support for 320 MHz channels. It has Realtek's ALC 1220 audio codec, and also it's got 5 gigabits LAN. So that's it in this unboxing, and we will be starting our testing with this motherboard, and you can expect the written review in a week or so.